Alright guys, welcome back to another video. Can you guess what this is? That's right, it is the fuel sending unit for the LTD. Let's go ahead and install it, put gas in the tank, and then let's take it for a drive. Alright guys, finally, I have that fuel sending unit on the tank. I actually had to drop the tank down because, you know, the brass piece that hangs on the end of the fuel gauge, float, whatever. It dropped into the tank and I had to remove the tank, you know, do all that, blah, blah, blah. I finally have the tank with the fuel sending unit installed. I got to put gas in it first, but as you can see, I'm really dirty. So I think after I put all my tools up, I'm going to go take a shower, and then we will take this car out on the road for the first time with the new fuel tank. So I'll see you then. Alright, we're gassing up. Then we're going to drive to the gas station where I'm going to pump gas and fill it to the top. Alright, we got gas in the tank. Let's go ahead and start it up. Now it's going to have to pump to the carburetor because there's absolutely no fuel in the line. See the fuel gauge raised. Alright, here we go. Alright, gotta go fix that. That's the positive wire doing that. Alright, let's try this again. It's gonna take a little bit. I'm afraid I'm gonna kill the battery. It runs! I don't see anything leaking. Alright, let's hit the road. I was smelling raw gas fumes for a minute there, but they kind of went away after I started getting on the road. I'm hoping it's just from that gas can from the F-250 because there was some fumes on that hose. Alright, so I'm pumping gas. I'm going to keep an eye out for any leaks. I'm just going to pump it until it fills up. I hope it won't leak. It shouldn't. It's a brand new tank. Well guys, it didn't leak. It only took 15 gallons. So I guess, I don't know what had happened, but it stopped at exactly a certain amount of dollars. I'm not sure what that was about, but we got it filled up enough. As you can see, the gauge is halfway. So let's take it out on the highway and do a few 0 to 60s and full throttle runs. Guys, I forgot to record the full throttle run on the highway, and we're just about to get off of it. But just to let you know, it does run just fine. But for some reason, I only smell gas fumes when I'm inside the cabin. There's nothing coming from the tank as far as I can tell. We're going to take a look at that when we get home. Alright, we're done. So we made it back home alright. The car ran just fine, but unfortunately I smelled those raw gas fumes the entire time I was on the road. And it especially got bad when I was standing still. And I know exactly where the leak is. See that? You probably can't tell because it's so dark. Here, let me get my flashlight. That is wet, and that's gasoline. You know, I was kind of worried about that. I was worried that that gasket was going to leak because it was so brittle already when I took it off the old tank. The new tank did not come with one, so I had to do something. That's what I did, and apparently that gasket is failing. So we're going to have to order a new gasket. But at least the other parts of the gas tank are not leaking. That's just the only part. If that's all there is, we can just either siphon out the gas tank a little bit or drive it until it's almost out. But at least we know where the problem is, so stay tuned for another video. I hope you guys have enjoyed this series. If you did, you know what to do. If you're stopping by for the first time and you wish to follow the channel, please subscribe and ring the bell, and I'll see you in another video. Thanks for watching.